Ginanap naman po sa Baguio City ang annual National Conventions ng Children's Museum and Library Incorporated o CMLI. Kaya naman 6 na araw tayong sasamahan ni Jules Guiyang sa Baguio. Pero ano nga ba muna ang CMLI? Alamin natin yan sa Pulso ng Boss.
Isyu ng lipunan aalamin mula mismo sa tinig ng sambayanan. Pulso ng Boss ngayon ating pakikinggan. Sa halos 6 na dekada ay patuloy na namamayagpag sa paghubog ng kagalingan ng kabataang Pilipino ang CMLI o ang Children's Museum and Library Incorporated. Bago natin alamin ang National Convention na naganap sa Baguio, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang CMLI bilang isang organisasyon.
CMLI ay isang National Leadership Youth Organization na nagsasagawa ng iba't ibang mga projects para mahon yung talents, yung leadership skills, and ma-form yung values and mahon palalo yung nationalism ng mga kabataang Pilipino.
It's a non-stock and non-profit organization of the youth, by the youth, and for the youth.
Is an organization that aims for the development of the youth of today by means of having activities on leadership training, talent development, and cultural exchange. So through the activities that we are engaging in CMLI, so we meet new bounds, we discover new ideas coming from the youth of today. So with this kind of activity, so this is also one aspiration to bring forth the leader in every Filipino youth.
Talented students we have in this country. The only organization. Well, lately we have one product. He is holding a very high position in the armed forces of the Philippines, and he is known as General Godofredo Catapang Jr. He was a CMLIer. In fact, he even left a legacy to his son Raleigh.
Ano naman kaya ang CMLI para sa puso't isipan ng ilan sa mga miyembro ng CMLI o ang tinatawag nating mga CMLIers?
CMLI changed my life as I continue to inspire other youth and to become catalyst of relevant change.
Na nagbo-boost ng ating self-confidence, passion for excellence para ma-improve yung sarili natin sa talents, socially sa ibang tao para magkaroon ng bagong kaibigan, magkaroon ng confidence, magkaroon ng passion, at kahit walang tulog, masaya. Sa mga commission discussions na ina-attendan namin, may nalalearn kami, and hindi lang namin na-apply yun dito sa camp. Also, pagbalik namin sa schools namin, dun pwede namin i-share yan sa other students and mas mag-spread pa siya.
The moment for all the youth to shine and to learn more and to experience more for them to be prepared in the future.
Ang National Executive Board o NEB ng CMLI ay binubuo ng mga kabataan na bagong graduate lamang ng high school at lahat ay nasa kolehiyo na. Sila ang responsable sa pag-oorganisa ng mga national conventions ng CMLI. Kaakibat nila ay ang iba't ibang sangay din ng CMLI, tulad na lamang ng Regional Executive Board o REB, Teacher Advisors Association of the Philippines o TAAPI at ang Alumni Association.
Well, TAAPI is the Teacher Advisors Association of the Philippines. It is an umbrella organization under the Mother Council of the CMLI, wherein the teacher advisors who accompany their students in every CMLI activities were given activities that will enrich their profession as teachers.
The Regional Executive Board is one of the branches of the Junior Council together with the National Executive Board and the Junior Council Alumni Association.
Basically a pool of talented individuals, and we came from the Junior Council National Executive Board. Our vision is to actually continue the thrust of CMLI and to push through with the advocacy even after our incumbency.
Ang CMLI Junior Council Alumni Association ang nangunguna sa pagsasagawa ng Voices in Harmony o VIH, ang natatanging awit tagisan ng kabataang Pinoy sa buong bansa. Kaya naman ang tabayanan natin ang buwan ng Disyembre dahil patuloy na paigtingin ang samahan ng CMLI at ng Telebisyon ng Bayan para sa isang kapanapanabik na proyekto para sa Kapaskuhan. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagtuklas sa CMLI ngayong linggo. Susunod naman ay alamin natin kung ano naman ang pinagmamalaking CMLI brand of leadership. Mula mismo sa tinig ng sambayanan dito sa Baguio, para sa Pulso ng Boss, ako si Jules Giang ng Telebisyon ng Bayan.